In this video, we will understand about movement in human beings. We all know that the human body is capable of doing a variety of movements, and all these movements are possible with the help of bones and muscles. So let's understand the entire process of the skeletal system in humans. Children, the human skeletal system made up of 206 bones and cartilage. Bones are very hard, inflexible parts of our body, but cartilage is a strong, flexible, connective tissue that protects your joints and bones. It acts like a cushion between the bones and reduces the friction between them. Or also you can say it behaves like a shock absorber. Cartilage we can also see in the tip of the nose and top portion of our ear. Now what are the functions of the skeleton? Some of the functions of the human skeleton system are: Number 1, shape. Skeleton provides shape and support to our body. Number 2, movement. Along with the muscular system, it helps in movement and locomotion. This allows human beings to do all kinds of movement. Human being can sit, stand, run or walk. Protection. It protects the important internal organs from damage. Blood cell formation. Blood cell production. Long bones contain a spongy soft tissue that are known as the bone marrow, which helps in the formation of new blood cells. Come to the next topic, parts of the skeleton. The skull, backbone, rib cage and limbs are the important parts of the skeletal system. Skull. It is made up of 22 bones. Out of these 22 bones, 14 bones are facial bones, as these are the part of the facial region, and 8 bones consist human head, that is also known as brain box or cranium. The lower jaw is the only movable part of the skull that helps us to talk, eat or yawn. Lower jaw is also known as mandible. The skull also has eye sockets which protect our eyes. Rib cage. A set of flat bones in the chest region is called the rib cage. Rib cage consists 12 pairs of bones. 12 pairs of bones, it means total 24 curved bones, that is known as ribs. Ribs are attached to a flat bone in the center of the chest, that is known as sternum. They are connected to the vertebral column at the back. The last 2 pairs of ribs are attached only to the vertebra and not to the sternum. These are known as the floating ribs. The rib cage protects the heart and lungs in human body. Limbs. All the bones present in our arms and legs are known as limbs. Arms are known as forelimbs and legs are known as hind limbs. The arms or upper limbs help us to do a variety of tasks like lifting and using the object. Humerus is the long bone seen in the upper arm. Radius and ulna are the bones seen in the forearm. The human hand along with the 5 fingers can do much more complicated tasks than any other animal. Lower limb or hind limb support the entire weight of the body and help us to walk and run. Femur is the longest and largest bone in the body and it is present in the upper leg. Tibia and fibula are 2 bones in the lower leg. The wrists, fingers, ankle and feet have several small bones. Backbone, that is also known as a spine, is attached to the base of the skull and runs along the back of the body. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebra. It appears to be curved when seen from the side. Its main function is to support the spinal cord and the body. It helps us in standing upright and provides support during locomotion. Thank you for watching. Next video we will discuss about joints.